Section 1. Introduction to ICH Guidelines. The pharmaceutical industry strives to deliver safe and effective medicines to patients worldwide. This is a complex and challenging task that requires rigorous standards and guidelines. To achieve this, clear guidelines and standards are essential. These guidelines help ensure that every step of the drug development process is meticulously followed. The International Council for Harmonization, or ICH, creates these guidelines. ICH brings together regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industry experts to develop a unified approach. ICH guidelines ensure medicines are developed and manufactured consistently. This consistency is crucial for maintaining the trust of healthcare professionals and patients. These guidelines are important for pharmaceutical companies around the world. They help streamline processes and reduce the time it takes to bring new drugs to market. ICH guidelines cover many aspects of drug development. This includes preclinical research, clinical trials, and post-marketing surveillance. This includes safety, efficacy, and quality. Ensuring these three pillars are met is vital for patient health and safety. Following these guidelines helps bring new medicines to patients faster. It also helps in gaining regulatory approval more efficiently. They also improve the quality and safety of these medicines. Ultimately, ICH guidelines play a crucial role in advancing global health. Section 2. Understanding ICH Q11. ICH Q11 is a specific guideline focused on drug substances. A drug substance is the active ingredient in a medicine. ICH Q11 provides a framework for developing and manufacturing drug substances. This guideline helps companies establish consistent processes. It emphasizes understanding the drug substance and how it is made. This knowledge is crucial for ensuring the quality and safety of the final medicine. Section 3. Key objectives of ICH Q11. ICH Q11 has several important objectives. One key objective is to ensure the consistent quality of drug substances. This means every batch of medicine should be identical and meet the required standards. Another objective is to define clear expectations for drug manufacturers. This helps companies understand their responsibilities. It also ensures they follow best practices throughout the development process. Section 4. Core concepts of drug substance development. In this section, we will delve into the fundamental principles that guide the development of drug substances. ICH Q11 outlines key concepts for drug substance development. This guideline is crucial for ensuring that the development process is both efficient and effective. These include process development, process control, and manufacturing. Each of these components plays a vital role in the overall success of drug development. Process development involves defining the steps to make the drug substance. This stage is critical as it lays the foundation for the entire manufacturing process. Scientists carefully design and optimize each step to ensure consistency. They conduct numerous experiments to refine the process and achieve the desired results. Process control focuses on monitoring and controlling the manufacturing process. This ensures that each batch of the drug substance meets the required standards. This involves setting limits for critical parameters. These parameters are essential for maintaining the integrity of the drug substance. Examples include temperature, pressure, and reaction time. Each of these factors must be carefully controlled to ensure the quality of the final product. This ensures the process remains consistent and produces high-quality drug substances. Quality assurance teams play a crucial role in this aspect. Manufacturing involves scaling up the process developed in the lab. This transition from small-scale to large-scale production is a complex and critical step. This ensures large-scale production meets the same quality standards. Rigorous testing and quality control measures are implemented to maintain these standards. Section 5. Importance of adhering to ICH Q11. Adhering to ICH Q11 is not just good practice, it's essential for patient safety and regulatory compliance. By following these guidelines, pharmaceutical companies can minimize risks associated with drug development and manufacturing. They can also ensure the quality and consistency of their medicines, which is crucial for maintaining public trust. For example, let's imagine a company develops a new drug for high blood pressure. This process involves rigorous testing and validation. By following ICH Q11, they can ensure each tablet contains the correct dose of the drug substance, maintaining uniformity across batches. This is critical for the medicine's effectiveness and to prevent potential harm to patients, ensuring they receive the intended therapeutic benefits. Section 6. Conclusion: ensuring quality and safety. In conclusion, ICH Q11 plays a vital role in drug development and manufacturing. By providing a clear framework for developing and manufacturing drug substances, this guideline helps ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of medicines. Adhering to ICH Q11 is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a commitment to patient well-being. When pharmaceutical companies prioritize these guidelines, we can be more confident in the medicines we rely on. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submission. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.